Most of us work in businesses that have a lot of direct competition or close substitutes. So, how do companies differentiate their brands and foster value creation? Now, you may be wondering why I'm wearing a Domino's hat. As a marketing consultant and professor, I use Domino's as an example of a company that continues to differentiate their brand and foster value creation through innovation. Domino's isn't a commodity business as most of us are. I'm in St. Louis and we have many wonderful local pizza offerings. So Domino's has a lot of competition from the chains as well as the independents. But even smaller businesses can take a page out of the Domino's innovation playbook. For years, I've taught digital marketing and used Domino's as a case study on digital transformation. I contacted them and asked if I could purchase a hat or a shirt for when I teach the case study. They said they'd send me something, and sure enough, they sent this very legit hat, free of charge, by the way. And this exemplifies how Domino's fosters a great brand experience. They do what they say they're going to do, and in many cases, they go above and beyond. When I travel for business, I always order Domino's. Same thing every time, pepperoni, pineapple, and jalapeno. Domino's claim to fame for many years was get your pizza in 30 minutes or it's free. But that ended back in 1993. But their brand position still reinforces quick delivery. I've had several occasions where the pizza was delivered in a reasonable amount of time, only to receive an email saying it wasn't fast enough for them, with a coupon for a free pizza the next time. Domino's keeps the big picture in mind. My CLV, or customer lifetime value, is worth preserving. In other words, they want me to keep ordering. Domino's has become a tech company in their own right, offering unique ordering options like through a text emoji or Apple CarPlay, delivery cars with heating ovens, and in the near future, self-driving delivery vehicles. But innovation isn't just digital technology. In 2009, they reinvented their nearly 50-year-old recipe with the pizza turnaround and eventually added great sandwiches to the menu, among others. So, quick recap, innovation occurs in many ways. Your product or your service, the way your product or service is delivered, literally and figuratively, all products and services are delivered in some way. And a great brand experience that continually reinforces the brand position. Please check back next week for another marketing tip on growing a more valuable small business.